What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is, your boy JP the Install Guy, hoping to make your install life just a tad bit easier. Today we have a Ford F-150 XLT, I believe it's a 2010. I'm gonna show you how to take this door panel off and install your own 6x8 inch speakers. So these are the type of things that you're into, consider subscribing. This is what we do here. Anything car audio install related is mainly what the channel is about. And from time to time, I like to share that car audio knowledge, so whether you're a beginner or advanced, this channel just might be for you. So first thing you guys wanna know that there are 4 screws that's actually holding this door panel together. We have a little door right here that we're going to take our pick tool and pop that door open real quick. And you're going to see one 8mm screw right there, and then we have a door right back here. Going to take that same kind of, see if I can open it a little bit, angle it, get my right angle pick tool. We're gonna pop that door out. This is actually one of the harder ones that I've done, but there's another 8mm bolt back there, so we want to take this one out and this one out real quick. All right, next you got 2 6mm screws on the bottom. This one, and that's 2. Now that we got them out, we just take it and lift up. As you can see, it has these little hooks that actually go inside these little square parts right here, and then you want to disconnect all the harnesses. All right, then what I'll do is I come right here, pry that up, hold it, kind of spin it, and then try to press that one in. These, I don't know why these are so hard. Or like on this truck specifically. And then we have 4 5.5 inch screws, or 5.5 inch bolts holding this. Then we take our speaker, press down on the harness, and we have this this factory speaker that we just removed. That's pretty much it. And here we are installing this Kicker 6x8 with the speaker harness on it. I will have all the links in the description for y'all. Trying to tell you, these speaker harnesses will make your life a whole lot easier, because now we don't have to try to figure out what's positive, what's negative. We literally just unplug the old speaker, plug up the new speaker. The white is positive on these, the black is negative, and then once you plug these in, it automatically has the positive and negative on there with the terminals, and now we just screw the speaker in. And that's gonna wrap it up for this video. So if you guys find any value in it, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Want to take the time to shout out all the Patreons. You guys go the extra mile supporting me in the channel, and I really appreciate it. The introduction to car audio courses are being made for that do-it-yourselfer, the person who's trying to get back into car audio, or the one who's inspiring to be an installer. So till next time, keep going, keep growing, and have a blessed day. Peace.